Welcome. If you're looking to find and join a server on Discord, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to discover servers and become a member. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the compass icon at the bottom of the screen and tap it. This will take you to the server discovery page. Next, use the search bar at the top of the page to enter keywords related to the server you're interested in. This will help you find servers that match your interests. Browse through the search results and tap on the server you want to check out. When you've found the right one, tap on Join Server to become a member. If you already have a specific invite link for a server, you can join directly. Start by tapping the plus icon at the bottom of your server list. Select Join a Friend on Discord and then paste the invite link. Finally, tap Join Server to complete the process. And that's it. You're now a member of your new Discord server. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.